Morning, everybody. It is just after 10 a.m. on Sunday, the 22nd. Mr. Bob is off to a Masonic Lodge thing, and we've been up for a little bit. I've been filming and editing, so for the week. Going to be doing some extra babysitting and other stuff this week, so I wanted to make sure I got it done for you all and for myself. And yeah, so things are rendering, then we'll get them loaded, get the descriptions edited, all the stuff. I have some more amigurumi patterns from kits I need to print, some of which are Woobles, but not all of them are, that I got for Christmas, so that I have projects in my house purse to work on during nap time and stuff, and I don't have to like go all over, because nap time's a little iffy. You know, I might get 20 minutes and I might get 2 hours. You never know. He's 3. You just never know. All right. I think that's it for the minute. I'm going to watch some videos, some YouTube, and finish doing my editing and just relax and chill. And then when Mr. Bob gets home, we're going to go run some errands, but also there's a hot rod show in Portland that he wants to go to, so I'm going to go with him to that. Morning, everybody. I believe it's been a couple of days since I picked up the camera. It's Wednesday morning, March 25th, 7:17 a.m. The one day that Mr. Bob goes into the office, so he's left to go do that. This is a week of a lot of stuff going on. I'm doing extra babysitting. Adopted daughter's got some birthday stuff going on. We've got appointments, and like, it's a lot. So I haven't spent a whole lot of time being creative, but I have squeezed time in when I can. I have done a little bit of crocheting. I made this cute little jellyfish from a kit I got for Christmas. And then last night I made Bluey from a Woobles kit. And I'm not going to actually maybe give Bluey to my grandson. We'll see if he likes it or throws it across the room. You know, he's 3, so. I don't have to be anywhere until 11:30. So I am going to take some time for me. I'm going to relax. I'm going to go take a shower, have some more coffee, maybe do one glue book page before we leave. And yeah, breathe. Breathing is important. All right. And I was, oh, last 2 days, we've had herds, literally herds of deer in our driveway. I will try to download the footage and put it here next in the next clip. We've had 1 or 2 occasionally since we bought the house, but never this many. This is a lot, and 2 nights in a row. Anyway, all right, I'm going to go run some errands and then meet the kids for lunch and pick up little man, and I'll be back. Okay, grandson went home a little while ago, and the clip you just saw was of me making another soap saver sack. I do use them in my shower. And I found a version of the scrubby yarn that's kind of soft. Nice. Good morning. It is almost 10 a.m. on Friday. Whatever date it is, I don't know, March 27th. I slept in slightly. No babysitting today. Well, I shouldn't say that. Maybe a little bit later today. This morning we have meetings and the bug guy is coming by and all those sort of things. So I took some time this morning and cut out some more of my stamps with my stamp die. I went out yesterday with adopted daughter for her birthday, and we went around and did some fabric shopping. She's going to be getting into sewing, and we did some thrifting, and we had lunch. It was really a fun time. One of the things I did while we were out was collect, of course, free pamphlets and stuff to cut up. And we also went by a really cute stationery store, and I found these 2, which will be great for glue books. And I also found another sticker book I didn't really need, but they had a whole bunch of these. I got the cottagecore one, but I might do one of my glue book pages in this geometric style, but just stickers. So that might be a thing probably today that we try. I'm going to take a break for a minute because the bug guy should be here any second. And then I also want to work on some more amigurumi, maybe some bumblebees. And, ooh, when we were out yesterday, I found, don't really need this, but this cute bag pattern. I haven't obviously made it yet. It's called Clam Up Zipper Pouches by Annie.com. And I have some fabrics from my stash. I think I'm going to try making a couple of those. So it's in my to-do, current row of to-do things. These are non-crochet things that need doing. There's our pile down here is getting smaller. All right. that's it for the minute, I think. And the fabric store was in McMinnville, Oregon, and it's called Boersma's. Boersma's? They've been there since 1935. I recommend it. Really great selection of fabrics. Not just quilting fabrics, but fabrics. They also have sewing machine repair and service, and they sell like vintage and antique machines that they've serviced and repaired. And they didn't cringe at me when I told them about my mother-in-law's machine, which is in closets back there, that I would like to try using, but needs to be serviced first. They're like, yeah, bring it in, no problem. It's the first place I've gone into that said that. All right, that's it for the minute, I think. I can't think of anything else at the minute. I'll be back. Through all my sticker books and pulled out a bunch of things. We're going to do one of these glue book collage pages with just stickers. See how that goes. I'll be back. I love it. Some of the stickers are a little old, so if I have to go back and put some glue underneath them, I won't be surprised. But that being said, yeah, I love it. All right, I'm gonna just sit and chill, drink my vitamin drink. We have a financial paperwork meeting in about half an hour-ish. And yeah, then I can relax and do some crocheting or something, and it's all good. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so financial meeting over a while ago, and I had lunch and I did 3 more glue book pages. You guys, I'm loving this. I'll put some pictures here. One of them, I already had some pre-cut like skulls and things. I like a good skull. And so that's one of the pages. Anyway, also did a couple chores, and I'm gonna take some dishes downstairs, grab my water. Yeah, and just chill and relax for a bit. It sounds like a good idea to me. I'll be back. Maybe make a bumblebee. Maybe.
It is one of the most breathtaking structures in all of South Asia, if not the world.
Hello, everybody. It's 8 o'clock on Saturday, the 28th of March.
Yes.
Is it light on there? No, okay. getting ready to have tea and cookies. We didn't do anything today. We slept in and we did some chores and little things around the house we've been meaning to do for a while. And you know what? That was a great way to spend the day. We did go out to the hardware store later in the day, and I picked up a bunch of free stuff in the paint department that has interesting images in it that I will be able to punch out and use in my glue book. So, and they were free. I like free. The little video clip you saw is a whole bunch of bumblebees I made today because I don't have enough amigurumi around the house.
No, you don't, dear.
I mean, we have that, we have all those, it's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
And I'm not in the mood to give any of them away at the moment. I probably will at some point, but not right now. Anyway, we're going to sit and have tea and our cookies, and despite the fact that we've been really busy and it's been a little bit of a chaotic week, we got a lot done creatively. I think I did pretty good considering. I'm enjoying a lot working in the glue book and just having that out on the table. And if I only have 5 minutes, I can go up there and do a page. And I love that. Set something up like that for yourself and see how that works for you. If I can manage this, so can you. All right. That's it for the minute. I need more water. I hope you guys have had a good week. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, do leave them down below. And please like, share, and subscribe. Go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. We're going to go do something like that tomorrow, but that's in next week's vlog. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.